Sleep. It's essential. It's the cornerstone of our daily lives, a fundamental aspect of our existence that we often take for granted. Yet, its importance cannot be overstated, like breathing, like food, like water. Sleep is non-negotiable. It's a vital component that sustains us, fuels us, and keeps us functioning at our best. Without it, our bodies and minds would struggle to cope with the demands of everyday life. We spend a third of our lives asleep. Why? Because during those precious hours, our bodies undergo critical processes that are essential for our overall well-being. It's a time for healing, for growth, and for rejuvenation. Because sleep is an investment in our future, in our ability to face challenges, and in our capacity to enjoy life to the fullest. When we prioritize sleep, we are making a conscious decision to take care of ourselves. An investment in our health, our well-being, our very survival. It's the foundation upon which we build our physical and mental resilience. Without adequate sleep, our bodies cannot repair themselves, and our minds cannot process the information we encounter each day. During sleep, our brains work tirelessly, consolidating memories, clearing out toxins. It's a time of intense activity where our neural pathways are strengthened and our cognitive functions are enhanced. This is when our brains sort through the experiences of the day, making sense of them and storing them for future use, recharging for the day ahead. Sleep deprivation? It's more than just feeling tired. It's a state of being that affects every aspect of our lives, from our mood to our ability to concentrate to our overall health. It's more than just feeling tired, it's a recipe for disaster. When we don't get enough sleep, our reaction times slow down, our judgment becomes impaired, and our ability to handle stress diminishes. This can lead to accidents, mistakes, and a general sense of being overwhelmed. It's a recipe for disaster, increased risk of chronic diseases, impaired cognitive function, weakened immune system. These are just a few of the consequences of chronic sleep deprivation. Over time, the effects can be devastating, leading to serious health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and even mental health disorders. Increased risk of chronic diseases, impaired cognitive function, weakened immune system. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies are unable to fight off infections, and our minds struggle to keep up with the demands of daily life. This can lead to a vicious cycle of poor health and decreased productivity. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the time when our bodies and minds can truly rest and recover. Without it, we are merely going through the motions, unable to fully engage with the world around us. Think of sleep as a superpower. It enhances our mood, sharpens our focus, boosts our creativity. When we are well rested, we are more capable of tackling challenges, coming up with innovative solutions, and maintaining a positive outlook on life. It robs us of our potential. Sleep deprivation leaves us feeling drained and depleted. It saps our energy, diminishes our motivation, and makes it difficult to stay focused on our goals. Over time, this can lead to a sense of hopelessness and frustration, leaves us feeling drained and depleted. Sleep is the foundation, the bedrock of a healthy and fulfilling life. When we prioritize sleep, we are laying the groundwork for a life filled with energy, vitality, and joy. The bedrock of a healthy and fulfilling life. Prioritize sleep. Make it a non-negotiable. By doing so, we are investing in our future, ensuring that we have the strength and resilience to face whatever challenges come our way. Your body and mind will thank you. When we give ourselves the gift of sleep, we are nurturing our bodies and minds, allowing them to function at their best. This leads to improved health, better relationships, and a greater sense of overall well-being. Your health and happiness depend on it. Sleep is the ultimate act of self-care. It's a way of showing ourselves that we matter, that our health and happiness are worth investing in. When we prioritize sleep, we are making a commitment to living our best lives. Sleep is the ultimate act of self-care. Embrace it. Make it a priority, and watch as your life transforms. With adequate sleep, we can achieve our goals, maintain our health, and enjoy the beauty of each new day. So tonight, give yourself the gift of sleep. Your future self will thank you. Imagine this: a cool, dark room, whispers of quiet, a haven of peace. This is the essence of a perfect sleep sanctuary, a place where every element is designed to help you unwind and drift into a restful slumber. This is your sleep sanctuary, a space that invites tranquility and comfort, where every detail is curated to enhance your sleep experience. Your bedroom should be a sleep haven. Think of it as your personal retreat from the chaos of the day, a place where you can recharge and rejuvenate. Not a place of work. It's crucial to separate your work life from your sleep environment. Mixing the two can lead to stress and restlessness. Not a place of stress. Temperature matters. Keep it cool. A calm and cool environment can significantly improve your sleep quality. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Darkness is your friend. Invest in blackout curtains. Minimize noise. Use earplugs if needed. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how well you sleep. Your bed, your sleep vessel. It's the centerpiece of your sleep sanctuary, and it should be as comfortable and inviting as possible. Choose a comfortable mattress and pillows. The right support can prevent aches and pains, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This signals to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. A warm bath, a good book, calming music. These activities can help you transition from the busyness of the day to a state of relaxation. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. They disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for a soothing herbal tea or a glass of warm milk. Your bedroom is for sleep and intimacy. These are the only activities that should take place here, reinforcing the room's purpose. Nothing else, no work, no screens, just rest and rejuvenation. The blue light from screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Make your sleep environment a priority. A clean, organized space can promote a sense of calm and help you sleep better. Your sleep quality will soar. You'll wake up feeling more rested, more energized, and ready to take on the day. Transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary. It's an investment in your health and well-being, and watch your sleep transform. With these changes, you'll create a space that not only looks inviting, but also promotes the best possible sleep. Sleep doesn't magically happen. We need to prepare. Wind down, signal to our bodies it's time for rest. Establish a pre-sleep routine, make it sacred, non-negotiable. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Blue light from screens disrupts melatonin production. Melatonin, the sleep hormone. Take a warm bath or shower. It relaxes muscles, lowers body temperature. Read a book, listen to calming music, avoid stimulating activities. Write in a journal, jot down thoughts, clear your mind. Practice relaxation techniques, deep breathing, meditation, gentle stretching. Consistency is key. Your body craves routine. Stick to your pre-sleep rituals, even on weekends. Your pre-sleep routine, your secret weapon, a pathway to deeper, more restful sleep. Embrace the ritual, reap the rewards. Your sleep will thank you. We all have an internal clock, a circadian rhythm. This internal clock is a natural internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. It is influenced by external cues like light and temperature, which help to keep it synchronized with the environment. It governs our sleep-wake cycle. Light and darkness are cues. When the sun rises, the light signals to our brain that it's time to wake up and be alert. Conversely, as the sun sets and darkness falls, our body starts to produce melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep. Our modern world disrupts this rhythm. Artificial light, late-night screen time, irregular sleep schedules. These factors can confuse our internal clock, making it difficult to fall asleep at night and wake up in the morning. The blue light emitted by screens can particularly interfere with melatonin production, tricking our brain into thinking it's still daytime. Reset your body clock. Wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency is key. By maintaining a regular wake-up time, you help to reinforce your body's natural rhythm, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to start the day. Expose yourself to sunlight in the morning. It signals to your body. Time to wake up. Darkness in the evening reinforces the sleep signal. Morning sunlight helps to reset your internal clock, while dimming the lights in the evening can help to prepare your body for sleep. Be consistent. Your body craves regularity. Maintain a regular sleep schedule, even when traveling across time zones. When you travel, Try to adapt to the local time as quickly as possible by exposing yourself to sunlight during the day and keeping your sleep environment dark at night. Avoid napping during the day. It can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. If you must nap, keep it short and early in the afternoon to avoid interfering with your nighttime sleep. Listen to your body, pay attention to your natural sleep patterns. Adjust your schedule accordingly. Keeping a sleep journal can help you identify patterns and make necessary adjustments. Incorporate relaxing activities like meditation or reading before bed to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Taming your inner night owl, it's possible, with consistency and discipline. Gradually adjust your bedtime and wake-up time by 30 minutes each day until you reach your desired schedule. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime. Reset your clock, optimize your sleep. By following these steps, you can help to reset your body clock, improve your sleep quality, and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized each day. Remember, it takes time and patience, but the benefits to your overall health and well-being are well worth the effort.